So I'm back with Bidda, my Telugu granny, and today we are making, what are we making?
Pumpkin curry,
Pumpkin curry. What goes in first?
onions, curry leaf, dry chilies.
Okay. Can I put the curry leaves and onions together?
Yeah.
Smells nice already. And then
Just
4
give it
dry
few minutes.
chilies.
Just give it a few minutes.
Okay.
Just wait a few minutes. Let it see. I'll put the chili.
Okay. That's the mustard seeds.
Right, mix it and then you put the
It needs to pop. The mustard seeds need to pop.
No, we don't want it to pop. It's skinny. Maybe it is fire.
And mix it.
Yeah, mix it. Okay, first.
I want like half a teaspoon.
Yeah. Then when that is a little bit cooked, you have to add some sugar.
What?
Sweetness something.
How much is sugar?
Maybe half a teaspoon.
Okay. Just to enhance the flavors.
Yes, just that onions and all that should be fine.
Does this cook quick?
Yeah, the cooked it. You have to add a little bit of water.
Now?
You wait until it sticks to the pan over there.
Okay.
Put it on. Otherwise, no water and it will get stuck in the pot. Is it high or low?
It's high.
No, don't put high, low. Medium.
Medium.
Yeah. That now you can put it away.
Okay.
Put it here. Mix it. Oh, getting hot.
Looking good.
Yeah, put it low.
It is fairly low. Now tell me something when you
Where's
make
your sugar?
behind.
Did you put that?
No. Wait, hold on. But tell me something now when it's like this. Do you mash it up or do you?
No, I don't mash it because on its own.
Okay.
Put here.
You want to put some sugar?
Yeah, put a teaspoon of sugar.
Like so much?
Yeah, no. Fill it all down. Yeah, no. Pumpkin curry is lovely.
You like it?
I love pumpkin curry.
You like lots of vegetables, huh?
Yeah.
Do you like pumpkin and cabbage?
Cabbage not so much, but I don't have too much cabbage. My doctor said I mustn't have too much vegetables in life.
Oh, okay.
And then I love double beans, gadra beans, mix and put it.
Maybe we can make that
Yeah,
another time.
another time. It's very nice. And you can put white sour herbs and put dough.
Next time, a lot of people wanted the sour herbs recipe. This is like done now, huh?
Yeah, Done.
Done. Are you gonna leave this to cook for a little longer, or it's done?
No, it's done. Give it a few minutes and you can really see.
Okay.
But the oil will come on the top, you see.
Mm. So we done, Ma?
Yes, it's done. It's ready. See? It's all
Nice and
ready.
soft, yeah.
Soft. It's all cooked now. It's done.
What do you like to eat pumpkin with? Rice,
I like
bread,
bread.
roti.
And we can have, you got no bread, you see. So we'll have rice. See, it's ready. See.
Looks lovely. Thank you, Ma. Peter, Ma.
Uh,
And there you have it, my granny's
it's all ready.
my granny's sweet pumpkin curry.
Yes,
Time to dig in.
it's right. It's finished now.
Okay.
That's a wrap. Thank you.